Okay, once again, that is Arian Bustillo of the Peach Panther team. May I request all the parents to please move on the side. Hindi po kasi nakikita ng ating mga judges, ang ating mga muses and escorts. Thank you very much. And now, the muse and escort of the Violet Knights. Preschool Department, Guinevere San Diego and Adrian Ang.
Violet!
Oh, cheer, Violet!
From the Violet team.
Okay, so that is Guinevere San Diego and Adrian Ang of the Violet Knights. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the Green Goblins, Fer Lorraine Ortiz and Erwin Valenzuela. So, ito po si Erwin. Nandun po ang ating muse, umiiyak. That is Erwin Valenzuela of the Green Goblins team. Okay, so that is Erwin Valenzuela of the Green Goblins team. And now, the muse and escort of the Pink Paragons, Alexandra Astorga and Kyle Galvez.
From the pink team.
Thank you very much, Alexandra Astorga and Kyle Galvez of the Pink Paragons. And now, let us welcome the muses and escorts from the primary department. From the Peach Panther team, we have Krisha Hicarte and Aki Dominique Yamamura.
Ano meron?
Ma'am, yung after po ba nito, sasayaw na po yung 4th year? Apo, nag-video. Oo. Oo! Go Peach!
From stage mother. From Laksan. Laksan mo naman? Louder. From the Ikaw na rin, Baby. Sinay.
Okay, thank you very much, Prisha Hikarte and Aki Dominic Yamamura. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the Violet Knights, Francesca Salazar and Paulo Diaz.
From the Violet.
My name is Paulo Miguel T. Diaz, and I'm 7 years old, and I'm from Violet team.
Okay, thank you very much, Francesca Salazar and Paula Diaz. Once again, we would like to introduce to you the escort of the Peach Panther team from the preschool department, Jereen Legaspi.
Go, Jared! Go, Jared! Woo! Ah, go, Jared! Go, Jared!
Thank you.
Okay, thank you very much, Jereen Legaspi of the Peach Panther team. Okay, let us proceed to the muses and escorts of the primary department from the Green Goblins team. We have Eliza Gonzalez and Joshua Gedal. Okay, thank you, Eliza and Joshua of the Green Goblins team. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the Pink Paragons, Kelly, Christine Saflor, and Grom Carlo Taco.
from grade 1 third and presenting the Pink Paragon. I'm from the Pink Paragon.
Thank you very much, Kelly, Christine Saflor, and Rowan Carlo Tato. And now, let us welcome the muses and escorts from the intermediate department. To start with, the muse and escort of the Peach Panther team, we have Dayan Espalmado and Jerry.
Go Dayan! Go Dayan! Woo! Go Dayan! Go Dayan!
Good morning, everyone. I'm Dayan KG Spalmado. I'm 10 years old. I live in Imus, and I represent the Peach Panther. Hi, I'm Jericho Reyes, and I'm 10 years old, and I'm from the Peach Panther.
Okay, thank you very much, Dayan and Jericho of Peach Panther team. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of Violet Knights, Sofia Salazar and Edward Esteban.
Sponsor ng Adidas. Sponsor ng Adidas.
Hi, my name is Sofia Sasha Salazar, and I'm representing the Violet team.
Hi, I am John Edward Esteban, representing Violet Knights.
Okay, thank you very much, Sophia and Edward of the Violet Knights. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the Green Goblins, Amber Mendoza and Dave Barrerio.
Hi, my name is Amber Mendoza, representing the Green Team Group.
Hi, my name is Michael Dave Sipa, representing Green Team.
Okay, thank you very much, Amber and Dave. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the Pink Paragons. We have Alex Ferreira and Daniel Paredes.
A pleasant day to each and everyone. My name is Antonia Sipaye, representing Pink Paragons, and I believe in the saying, what is beauty if your brain is empty? Thank you. Hi, my name is George. Please represent
Okay, thank you, Alex and Daniel of the Pink Paragons. And now, let us welcome the muse and escort of the to start with, the muse and escort of Peach Panther, we have Isabel Lainez and Angelo Bacber
Go Isa! Go Isa! Go Isa! Go Jello!
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Maria Isabel P. Lines.
Angelo Navarro.
And we're from third year knowledge representing the high school department of Peach Panther. Thank you and God.
Nabati ko ang pala trauma people.
Isabel and Angelos. Okay, let us now welcome the Muse and Escort of the Violet Knights. We have Kathleen Melon and Gerald Esguerra.
Go Sharon! Sharon! Go Kathleen! Sharon! Go Kathleen! Kathleen! Babae! Kathleen, babae ka! Go Sharon! Artista!
A pleasant morning to everyone. I'm Kathleen T. Melo, representing the Violet Knight.
I'm Gerald Esguerra representing the Violet Knight. Thank you.
Thank you, Kathleen and Gerald. So they are the Muse and Escort of the Violet Knights. And now, let us welcome the Muse and Escort of the Green Goblins, Mary J. Tinimbang and Claire Nancy.
Go Clay! Go Clay! Go MJ! Clean smile! Smile lang ay! Clean! Smile lang ay! Smile!
Good morning. Golf is the closest game to the game we call life. You get bad breaks from good shots, you get good breaks from bad shots. But you have to play the ball where the ball lies. Hi, I'm Mary J. Angela M. Tinimbang, representing Green Team.
Hi, I'm Vincent Melania.
Yay!
Okay, thank you very much, Mary J. and Clay Vincent. Last but not the least, we have the Muse and Escort of the Pink Paragons. We have Eliza, Luna, and Kendrick.
A pleasant morning to all of you. I'm Christina Liza Luna from the third year knowledge.
And I'm Kendrick Campat from the third year knowledge.
And we're representing the Pink.
Binabati ko po yung tropa doon, yung mga gwapo.
Okay, thank you very much, Eliza and Kendrick. So there you have it, folks. The Muses and Escorts of the four teams